Number 10, system of equations. It starts off y equals. That tells me right away I'm going to use substitution. It said y is equal to 4 times x minus 2. So I'm going to plug that into the equation below wherever there's a y. And in this case, the y is right there. So it's 8 times x minus 2 times whatever y is. Well, we said y is 4x minus 2. Now it's several pieces, so I've got to put it in parentheses, equals the 7. Now I'm going to distribute through. Don't forget, this is a negative 2 going through. So it's 8x minus 8x. Negative 2 times that's 4 equals 7. I get, wait, that goes away. 4 is equal to 7. Is 4 ever equal to 7? That never happens. Never true. We ended up with a false statement here. The x's disappeared. That tells us this was a special situation. Either the two lines were perfectly parallel, meaning they never intersected, which is what happens here, or the lines were the same line on top of one another. You'd end up with a true statement like 6 equals 6, which is always true. Since we ended up with a false statement that never happens, that tells us there's no solution here. These two lines are basically parallel. They actually, if you check it out, they both have a slope of 4 and they cross the y-intercept at a different location. So they're parallel. The main thing is there's no solution here. Okay, there is no x and y that will make both those equations true because the lines are parallel. Number 11. Well, doesn't start off, so I'm not going to be using substitution because it does not start off y equals something or x equals something. So I know I'm going to need to use elimination. I'm going to need to add these guys together and make somebody disappear. Well, right now, if you add them, you're going to get 9x plus y equals what? 23. Does you no good. I need somebody to get eliminated. I need somebody to disappear. Well, it looks to me I could make it minus, if this said minus 2y, boop, add them together, they'd go away, wouldn't they? So we're just going to take this top equation and manipulate him. We're going to multiply him by a 2. Well, what would that make it? It would make it 10x minus 2y equals 10. And that's okay to do. As long as we multiply everybody by the same thing, it doesn't change the values of x and y. The other equation was 4x plus 2y equals 18. I've just rewritten this guy right here down below. Now, when we add them together, let's see what happens. I get 14x. These go away, equal 28. Divide by 14. I can see 28 is double 14, so x is 2. 28 divided by 14 is 2. I now know the x value is 2. I can plug that into either one of the equations to get y. I'm going to go to the second equation. 4 times x, which is 2, plus 2y equals 18. 8 plus 2y is 18. Go ahead and subtract your 8. We're almost there. 2y is 10. Divide by 2. You get y is 5. That's their point of intersection, 2, 5. There's one line, there's the other. Boom, they're intersecting at the ordered pair 2, 5.